Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Thursday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. And as I'm sure you can tell, I'm actually in a good mood because I just realized we're one full day away from the weekend and I can't wait to get it started. So stocks may be down, but it's also about that time of the day. It's 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I'm going to lift your spirits with some spirits. That's right, guys. It's happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks taking quite the hit today right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. That's correct, a big hit as stocks sharply lower following weak data out of China and a possible Federal Reserve rate hike continuing to weigh on investors' minds. Now, let's first begin with some numbers, a little different today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping more than 150 points intraday before attempting an afternoon rebound, but still in the red by triple digits. Taking this into consideration, the index today briefly breaking below the 18,000 mark and hitting its lowest level since July 7th. Why the drop, you ask? Well, first, there's China. China exports tumbling 10% last month in U.S. dollar terms, while imports falling 1.9%. And here in the United States, in economic news, weekly jobless claims figures holding at a 43-year low. This while import prices rising less than expected during the month of September. And now the market is largely anticipating the Fed to raise its interest rates later on this year, with Fed funds futures pricing in a more than 65% probability for a hike in December, but just 20% in November, due mostly in part to the uncertain election. This according to research from RBS. Investors also keeping an eye on quarterly corporate reports. And with oil falling below $50 a barrel on a surge in stockpiles last week, the U.S. dollar in the red, you have yourself a session right behind me now where 3 stocks are in the red for every advancer. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the second to last trading session of the week. And on the corporate front, yes, we're talking corporations this afternoon. Delta Airlines reporting mixed quarterly results, missing expectations on the top line while beating on the bottom line. And Wells Fargo in the news after announcing late yesterday afternoon that John Stumpf would leave his post of CEO immediately, following Wells' cross-selling scandal. And with that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. Feel better already. Maybe stocks will lift themselves up. Grab a spirit and lift your spirits. One more day to the weekend. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.